A rare condition known as broken heart syndrome is usually brought on by an emotionally devastating or stressful event. But now, a new study from Europe reveals the condition can also be brought on by happy events and positive emotions. This is the first time researchers have linked pleasant experiences with broken heart syndrome, which causes a sudden but temporary weakness in the heart muscle, according to the findings, published on Thursday, March 3, in the European Heart Journal. However, many negative forms of emotional stress, including grief, fear, anger and anxiety, are known to trigger episodes of the condition. Broken heart syndrome can be easily confused with a heart attack because people who experience the syndrome have symptoms such as chest pain and shortness of breath, the study said. These symptoms typically appear within minutes or hours after a person has been through a stressful experience. The syndrome is also referred to as stress cardiomyopathy, but was originally named Takotsubo syndrome, TTS, by the Japanese researcher who first described it in 1990. The researcher called it that because the heart's bulging appearance in people with the condition resembled the shape of a Takotsubo, or octopus pot. These findings broaden the spectrum of emotions known to cause broken heart syndrome, said study author Dr. Jelena Aradri, a cardiologist and research fellow at University Hospital Zurich in Switzerland. Although only a small percentage of participants were diagnosed with broken heart syndrome after a joyful or socially desirable event, the researchers were surprised to find that positive emotions can lead to TTS, Adri said. The researchers dubbed the 20 individuals with a positive trigger as the happy hearts, comparing them to the 465 people with a negative preceding event, categorized as broken hearts. One of the noticeable differences between the two groups was that imaging tests revealed that happy hearts were more likely to have a certain type of the syndrome, called the midventricular type, than were broken hearts. There are 4 different types of TTS. 35% of happy hearts had the midventricular type, compared with 16% of the broken hearts. Although this was an interesting and novel observation, the underlying mechanism that may be responsible for this finding is unknown, Adri told Live Science. The research team will now investigate brain activity patterns in the people with happy heart syndrome, and compare those patterns to those found in people with broken heart syndrome to learn more about the interactions between the heart and the brain. For now, it's unclear exactly how a person's emotional states play a role in the development of this heart muscle weakening condition. One hypothesis is that a surge of stress hormones, such as adrenaline, may temporarily damage the hearts of some people, said the Mayo Clinic.